here's the quick view page, which gives you a nice overview on how you're performing, and we do recommend to check it daily. Up here, you can see the experience point or group you're viewing and change it to something else if you, for example, have multiple Smileys products like a lot of our customers do. And next to it is the survey question visible that is attached to this experience point or group. You can choose from here what time period you want to look at. And also here, this is a premium feature, but if it's enabled, this allows you to compare your results to the past to spot possible trends. The summary widget is pretty cool. It shows you a lot of important information in a very quick way. So here you can see what is your happy index, how are the responses divided, and also here how your organization's happy index compares to other organizations in your industry. Then we have the top follow-ups widget, which shows the number of top highlights and pain points over the chosen time period. And you can see also a list of open comments or open feedback that has been given during the selected time period. The small arrow here and also the number show the change from the previous time period. And if you see, let's move that. If you see here a highlight or pain point that has 2 asterisks, that means that the finding is statistically significant. And if there's 1, it is likely to be significant. So yeah, and that is also a premium feature, the asterisk feature. Moving on to results widget, which shows you the full results of the selected time period. You can easily observe the fluctuation of responses and changes in the performance index data, which is here, the blue line. And the gray line, which you can see up here, is the past comparison index. So if you are, for example, viewing the time period of today, the past comparison index shows you the performance of yesterday. Then moving on, if you are, for example, an area manager, you could use the ranking widget to easily follow the top and bottom locations in your own area. And you could quickly identify the locations that might need attention and locations that can provide examples on how to develop customer satisfaction. At the bottom, we have my favorites. So the pattern widgets, hourly and weekly patterns that help you identify hotspots in the performance levels recurring at certain times during a week or a month period. So for example, here in the hourly pattern and also in the weekly pattern, we can see that most of the very unhappy responses came during Saturdays and Sundays. Now, to investigate this further, you would think, what happened at those times? You could check the results widget and also the hourly and weekly distribution widget over on the details page to find out more. So what day or days you've had the most issues? When was the lowest feedback received? What was the reason behind it? Was there unusual footfall, lack of staff or products, and so on? And also looking at the pain points over in the details page will also help to understand why negative feedback was given.